Hello there, I'm Rex Proctor. Thank you for joining me in this screencast. In this screencast, we're going to take a look at our new angle synchronization method. This was built in order to help reconstruct footage from a drone. Often you fly the drone, up for 15, 20 minutes, bring it down, do it again. You may do that 5 to 6 times during a training. Whilst you have, say, a PTZ IP camera running throughout the whole thing. So you need to insert these clips as angles for those sections of that long IP camera feed. So let's have a look. I'm going to drag in a tactical bit of footage, create a new angle. We'll link up my timeline and close these guys off. And then I'm going to drag in another angle. Now in this example, they are not drone footage, but I drop these on and I append them in the order that they are numbered from either the drone or in chronological order so that they can be matched up to our master angle here. So in this build of angles, you need to hold down Option and then click on Synchronize Angles. In future versions, we will have a separate option for this. In fact, this method may take over the current method. So in this view here, you can see you have the 4 movie parts that we dropped in and they were appended to each other. So let's find a key moment in the first one. So I'm going to move my playhead to, let's go to the kickoff there. You can see there the ball moves. You can really go to any key moment in the angle that you want to synchronize. So you can see she's kicked the ball there. So I'm going to pin it. And then in my master angle on the left here, I'm going to go find where the kickoff occurred. Let's get the same frame. That looks pretty good. And then I unpin it. And you'll notice that the angle segment here, the part, moves. Let's go to our second one and find a key moment. Okay, let's take that moment where she kicks the ball. Right there. And I'm going to pin it. And then I'm dragging the playhead to where I see that, which is going to be right there probably. Roughly there. That looks pretty good. Unpin it. And you'll notice that that angle movie moves. Let's make sure I got that right. Yep, that looks pretty good. Go to the next one. You don't necessarily have to select it. If the playhead is covering it, you're going to get it. Okay, there's a good spot. Okay, we're in the wrong angle, so we've got to go back here and find something here. Okay, there she's kicking it. And let's pin it and find this moment here, which is going to be a bit further down. And there we go. That looks pretty good. Unpin it. You'll see that that segment moves down. Let's go to our last segment. And there she's rolling the ball. Let's go to there where she lets go. Pin it. And then move our angle down to where she rolls it. Okay, there we go. One more angle forward. And then we unpin it and bang, that moves them all in place. Now we've got this black movie in here. So we can fill this by choosing replace angle offsets with blank movies. Now this goes into a preference. If you want to fill this with an angle movie, go shared preferences and then look for your angle, your empty angle image file here. And you can create your own, make it 1920 by 1080, drop that in there as a PNG and replace the empty angle image that exists. And then when you fill it, you'll get this nice graphic for those missing parts. Absolutely killer method for synchronizing multi-part movies such as drone footage.